Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Do you sometimes feel like Arabic speakers are speaking at a very high speed and you're just staring up there thinking, would that even Arabic? Or have you ever studied hard, memorized words or practiced sentences, but then a native speaker replies and you almost understand nothing? Or do you feel confused by the different versions of Arabic, like why the Arabic I read in my textbooks sound nothing like the Arabic I hear in real life? And what about dialects? Have you ever came across a word and thought, is this Fus-ha? Or is it MSA? Or is it Egyptian, Levantine? Or is it Gulf? Or which dialect this word is? The constant switching can be so frustrating, isn't it? Have you ever mixed up between masculine and feminine words? Or you struggled with these deep throat sounds letters? Or you looked at a long sentence and thought, how am I gonna figure this out? And be honest, have you felt like so frustrated and thought about giving up? If any of this sounds familiar, you are not alone. In fact, you are exactly who this video is for. Arabic is one of the most beautiful languages in the world, but also one of the most misunderstood languages by learners. It's not impossible, but it has its own challenges. And the real problem is no one is actually telling you what these challenges are before you start. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 most common challenges and problems that non-native learners always face. The exact struggles that make Arabic feel so hard. And more importantly, I'll give you solutions for these problems or challenges that will save you time, energy, and a lot of confusion. So let's dive in, and I promise that by the end of this video, you will see that Arabic is not as hard as it seems. And you will have practical solutions to make progress faster. So let's go. Challenge number 1, understanding native speakers who speak very quickly. Arabic speakers always speak very fast, connect their words, and sometimes dropping some short vowels, making it very hard for you to catch anything even if you do know the vocabulary. And the best solution for this is not to directly jump into the native level conversations. Instead, use slow Arabic resources with subtitles at the beginning and repeat the short clips after them, and also train your ears gradually. Over time, your brain will start picking up the flow. Challenge number 2 is distinguishing between formal Arabic Fus-ha and the local Arabic dialects. One of the biggest shocks is realizing that Arabic that you learn in the books is not what we use as native speakers in the daily conversations. Fus-ha is formal, while dialects like Egyptian, Levantine, or Gulf are used in daily life conversations. The solution is to decide your goal early. Do you want to learn how to read and write, or you want to understand the local people in streets and in real life? Learn Fus-ha first as a base, then choose one dialect only to focus on if speaking with natives is one of your priorities. But also remember, I always say that once you learn Fus-ha, everything is gonna be easy. If you wanna only understand Fus-ha and use it and practice it in the streets with people, only Fus-ha without learning any other dialect, people will 100% understand you and they will connect with you easily, don't worry. But learning a local Arabic dialect like Egyptian, Gulf, or Levantine, sometimes making it easy for better connection, especially with the very local ones and the uneducated ones, because they may be struggling to understand you sometimes with Fus-ha, but they will understand you, don't worry. So after learning Fus-ha, whether you learned a specific dialect or not, in both cases you will easily understand people and be understood by them, and you will connect easily with people, don't worry. Challenge number 3, struggling with Arabic letters pronunciation. Some Arabic letter sounds don't exist in other languages like Ain, Ghain, Kha, or Qaf, and some other letters, which makes pronunciation a little challenging and sometimes frustrating for some learners. Many learners just avoid them. But you can improve with focused practice. Use slow audio recordings, mirror the sound, and record yourself. And don't aim for perfection from day one. Just get a little progress gradually, and you will catch the progress results week after week by continuous practice. Challenge number 4. Confusing masculine and feminine words. In Arabic, even objects have genders. A table can be feminine and a chair can be masculine. And this affects actually verbs, nouns, adjectives, and even numbers. It's a lot to handle, I know, but the solution for this is to always save and memorize the new words with their genders. For example, don't memorize a new word like سيارة alone as a car. No, just memorize it like السيارة جيدة, for example, the car is good. To memorize or to remind yourself that it is feminine word. Challenge number 5 is difficulty in memorizing vocabulary. Arabic vocabulary can feel very unfamiliar at first. Many learners try to memorize and save the new words and vocabulary by using flashcards, and then forgetting them after some days when it's time to use. Why? Because memorizing without context doesn't always work well. Here is what actually helps. Start by learning common words in full phrases or short sentences at the beginning. This way, you are not only memorizing a word, but you are learning and understanding how it is used in different contexts. And also, always listen to Arabic content consistently, like podcasts or videos or anything. Even if you don't understand 100% of what they are saying, when you hear the same words repeated every time in different topics, your brain starts to connect these words to their real meanings. Over time, this builds a natural memory, like the long-term memory. Try repeating out loud what you hear. Shadowing, which means repeating right after a native speaker, is a very powerful technique because it works on and improves pronunciation and memory as well. Another tip, group related words together. For example, instead of learning the different verbs to eat, to drink, and to wake up and to sleep in different days, you can learn them in one day under the umbrella or the theme of daily routines. This will help you organize the vocabularies. And finally, use the words actively. Don't just recognize them. Try to use them when you speak, write, or even think in Arabic. The more you use a word, the more permanent it becomes into your mind. And challenge number 6 is learning verb conjugations. Arabic verbs change based on the person, gender, and tense. And each verb's pattern or balance, we call it in Arabic وزن الفعل, can feel like a new mountain to climb. So don't try to memorize charts blindly. Focus on high-frequency verbs first and practice them in everyday real-life conversations. Like for example, saying I want, أنا أريد, or I went, أنا ذهبت, or he said or she said, like هو قال, هي قالت, and so on. And patterns will slowly come familiar. And challenge number 7 is building sentences in correct word order. Arabic structure system can feel like upside down if you're coming from English language. Verbs often come first and adjectives follow the noun. For example, in English we say a new car, but in Arabic we say سيارة جميلة. So the word سيارة, which is the noun, came first, then the adjective followed the noun and came after it. Unlike English, where the adjective come before the noun. And this may cause a little confusion. A good method is to copy real Arabic sentence patterns. Use simple templates at first and build up from there. And with repetition, word order becomes natural. Challenge number 8 is remembering the short vowel sounds. التشكيل. When you are reading most Arabic texts, they don't include the short vowels. This makes reading harder especially for the beginners. At first, rely on fully voweled books like the children's books or some language apps. And by progressing, your brain will start to get the right tashkil and pronunciation naturally from the context. And challenge number 9 is feeling intimidated by Arabic grammar complexity. Arabic grammar has a bad reputation that it's very scary. So many rules, exceptions, and always new concepts. But the good part is not everything has to be learned at once. Focus at only one grammar rule at once and always connect it to real examples. Use grammar to support your speaking, not to slow it down. And for the last one, challenge number 10 is getting discouraged by slow progress. Arabic doesn't give quick rewards. It takes time to see progress, and this can be frustrating sometimes. But the truth is, every small step counts. And the good part and encouraging as well is those millions of non-Arabic speakers who learned the Arabic language and mastered it and became even better than some Arabs themselves, especially in Fus-ha. And some of those non-native speakers, they mastered the Arabic language to the level that they are now teaching it to some non-native other speakers, especially for the beginners. So it may take some time and a little effort, but it's entirely worth it. Celebrate your wins, even if it is just learning a new vocab or mastering a small sound pronunciation or even understanding a very short sentence. Arabic rewards consistency, so don't quit and just keep going. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips on learning Arabic. And don't forget to get your free copy of my book 100 Must-Know Words for Beginners. Just click the link in the description and subscribe to my newsletter for free Arabic secrets, and you will get directly an email into your inbox with the free link to get your free copy of my book. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and مع السلامة.